Hey fam bam, it's Sienna. Okay, so today I am reviewing yes bitch, reviewing some ponytails. These ponytails are from a company called Full Shine, and you can get them on Amazon, so it's super easy to order. Everybody knows how to order on Amazon. So what happened was they sent me one ponytail. I colored it, and then I lost all the footage.
Oh no.
I know. That has literally never happened to me before. I have never filmed an entire video and had to refilm the entire thing from scratch. So I reached out to them and I was like, can you please send me another ponytail? Because I kind of fucked up. It was my bad. So anyway, I have a new ponytail here. Let's open up our box so we can see how the I'm a mess today, y'all. Just like, what is this? Okay, it's little packets explaining that it's 100% human hair. So these are not synthetic ponytails. That's why the price point is going to be higher on these, because they're real hair. Refund or exchange is accepted, but the hair can't be used or colored or cut or altered. Normal, that's like with every hair brand. This ponytail is 22 inches, okay. And the color was 8/60. So this color is very like, it's like an ashy brown. However, I feel like it's not quite ash. I feel like this brown is more along the lines of a warm tone brown. You'll see what I'm talking about. The hair is absolutely beautiful. It's very soft. Your hands just go right through it. It's not like a super, super thick ponytail, as you can see. Like, it's not very, very thick density wise, which is why I'm excited to have two of them, because I think they will be perfect for pigtails. Like literally, this is exactly a pigtail amount. For a single ponytail, in my opinion, it's too small, but that's because I have a lot of hair. So I think for pigtails, this will be perfect. Okay, so let's open it up. You can see that there is a little clip there, and then there's the Velcro. Also, this Velcro piece seems to be like really, really short. I think my hair, like I said, is thick, so I do need more space here to wrap around my ponytail. But again, I think in a pigtail it will be fine. Here's the original color. This is the natural texture of the hair. So you can see it comes kind of straight like this, and then after I colored it and washed it, this is what it looks like. So that's the natural curl pattern of the hair. I think that's actually really nice. I like the way that that looks, and I also think that this will probably hold a curl pretty decently because it's not bone straight. So, okay, this is perfect that we can do this, because you can get a side-by-side comparison of what the hair looks like before it's colored and after it's colored. And all I used was a purple shampoo. I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. That is gonna be so stinking cute. Okay. Do you see how it kind of almost looks like pinkish compared to my ash brown? I think this matches better. I'm gonna take some photos and we'll see in the stills what looks better. Let's make this one look like this one. And then we're gonna come back, try them on, curl them, and see how adorable my pigtails look. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this. Okay. Hey. So we're in my bathroom. This is like not my forte. I'm not into doing these type of videos. That's why I never do them, and I just like it when my tripod is holding my camera up so I'm not ruining my very expensive phone. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna try to do this again. So I have it on this little weird thingy-majiggy here. This one's already done. That's why it like looks kind of purplish already, and this one looks more pinkish kind of. So you can see how the one is more silvery purple and the other one's more yellow. I actually prefer a little bit more of the yellow color, so I'm gonna try not to put too much purple here, and I'm gonna try to wash out some of this silver because it's just like a little too silvery for me. I don't know, we'll see if this can happen. So basically I'm just turning my water on really hot because hot water is what dissolves color pretty well. Rinse, try to get some of that silver out. A little bit of shampity-doo-dah-day. And try to get some more of that golden color to come back out because I just did too much purple. It's okay, the more you wash it, the more the color will come out over time. Okay, I'm just don't want that hang there. Now this one, use the Perfect Blonde toning mask. The majority of the color, I want it to be like up here because I just feel like it looks too pink. Way too pink. That's what I'm focusing on. I'm really mushing it in there and bringing it down. Need some more. And on the back side. Okay. And we're gonna have to pull it through because I don't want it to look too different from the other one. Even though I'm trying to get the other one more gold, we're gonna have to make this one a little bit silver or else it's not gonna match. It's a very light tint. A little glaze, so now it looks a little bit more tinted, that purplish, cool tone color. Which, although it still doesn't match my hair perfectly, I think it matches better the pinkish look that I had before. Lillian, are you such a good girl? Lily! Oh, I love you, sweetie. Okay, we're back. You have to forgive me. I have a massive migraine, so looking at this light, oh my God. I don't even know, can I lower it? Okay, I can lower it like a tiny bit. That's a little bit better. Okay, we have our ponytails. They are colored, they are washed and dried, and look at how cute. I love the texture. I'm like, I don't even want to curl these because they're so stinking cute. We're gonna put our hair in piggies. I'm like, should I do low pigtails? High pigtails? I don't know. I don't know if I'm feeling low pigtails with this vibe. I don't know if it's even in the back, but whatever. We just need to see what these pigtails look like. Forgive me for being in my pajamas, you guys. Like, hold on, let me lower this. I am just like having such a bad day. I've had the craziest migraine all day long, and I can't even bring myself to put clothes on. It's a miracle I have makeup on for you guys, okay? Okay, clip goes in. Wrap it around. Wrap this all the way around. And then keep wrapping this piece of hair. I'm gonna try to cover that. Cute. Oh shoot, I forgot I need a bobby pin to hold this in. Hold on. This is actually like so stinking cute. Oh my God. Okay. This side. All the way around. And keep going. Hard to do when you can't look at yourself. Just keep wrapping. And then I take a big bobby pin and smush it in there. Okay, obviously we're just getting this for looks right now, but if I were to do it a little bit better and cleaner, and like this ponytail was neater, this would have to wrap all the way and then bobby pin to this hair up here. Cannot find those bobby pins right now. I can only find the ones that are shaped like this instead of the ones that shape like this. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like, I can only find these. They're too long. This is not the bobby pin you want. You want like a basic ass bobby pin. Otherwise you can't get the hair to stay. That's so frustrating. Okay, but look at how cute this hair is. Oh my God. Especially when you wear them low like this, like they are so long and adorable. Ah! Okay, so my hair is, let me show you where my ponytail is. It's inside this ponytail. Now obviously my hair is like dark brown, but I think it looks better being the color that's up here, which is why I matched it to this. Okay, so they are in. I actually just redid them because now I feel like they're fitting like really nicely. So the question is, like, if it were up to me, I would just leave them this texture that they are right now because I freaking love it. But let's curl some of the ends so that we can see like how this hair curls. I already heated this up. Let me curl these little things first because yeah, I just want them like away from my face. Hi and goodbye. Okay, so let's do some of the ends. Maybe we can like keep the texture and then just do the ends curly. I don't know, maybe that'll be cute. Actually, yeah, that's like super cute. This hair is very soft, so I'm interested to see if it will even hold a curl, because, well, actually it should, because the texture is like a little bit curly, so I think it might. I think it actually might. I'm like, should we speed this up? So anyway, you guys, yeah, my, just to update you guys, the surgery happened and I freaking got sick for like, it's been 10 days and I'm still sick, you guys. It's terrible. It's awful. First of all, I do horrible with the anesthesia. Secondly, there was like a complication that made me sick, so now I'm on like medication, which is making me nauseous as fuck. And I've been watching TV for like 15 hours a fucking day. So I've been getting migraines from just watching TV. So now I'm trying to like read books instead. I just feel like a mess, y'all. Like I feel like a fucking mess. Seriously. I don't want to be a mess, obviously. I just want my life back. Please and thank you. Now getting it to try to like, there we go. It has to hide my hair, because my hair is not cute in there. I think this is looking cute. And I think it's gonna hold. Try to get this hair to go. I wanna burn my ear. Let's do some that curl like all the way up for more texture, like little skinny ones, and see what that looks like. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's so cute. Let's do a couple like that. So you just gotta play around with it and get certain pieces to come out. This is going to be an issue. Maybe we should curl some of these pieces. And maybe it'll like disguise my ponytails in there. Skinny one like right here. How is this looking? Is this cute? What do you guys prefer? Do you like the natural texture or do you like the curly one? Good news is it curls really fast. Here we go, you guys. Here's the curly and here's the natural. Dude, is it just me? But I'm like gravitating towards the natural texture. I just love it. But now that I curled this one, I'm gonna have to curl the other one. But I just wanted to let you see both sides. It also looks shinier on this, excuse me, it also looks shinier on this side when it's just natural. And it looks like longer and fuller. And I think that's why I like it so much. Because you lose some inches once you start curling it, you know? I'm just gonna finish curling this one and we can like speed up the footage. Actually, I'm gonna be facing this way. You're not even gonna see it. Be right back. Okay guys, I finished. Here are the ponytails. They came out so ridiculously cute. I'm obsessed with them. I love them. I'm definitely giving them like 5 stars because they ended up being the absolute perfect length, thickness, and everything for pigtails. Now, I would not recommend this ponytail for just like a single ponytail unless you have very thin hair. If you have thin hair, yes, 100% this will be great. If you have thick hair like me, you're gonna need 2 ponytails and use them as pigtails. So here's the back, what you can see. This is just too cute, you guys. I love, love, love these pigtails. All the information for these full shine hair, real hair pigtails will be down below in the description box. You can just get them on Amazon. Amazing. Ah, okay. I love you guys. Sorry, I'm like clapping because I'm so happy for myself. I got through the video with a migraine and I look fucking cute. Obsessed. Okay. All right, yay for me. I'll see you guys in my next video really soon. Bye.